Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everyone. We are here to present the work of our group entitled Not the Normal News with the first readers myself. Pre-reading. Number 1. What was in the news over the past few days? The answer is Happy News had more than 70,000 unique readers. About 60% of those readers were women. Number 2. How would you describe the information from this news? The answer is interesting, sad, scary, interesting. Number 3. Can you remember many happy or funny stories in the news? The answer is nothing fun. Vocabulary review. Number 1. Idea, opinion. The city newspaper report about yesterday's parade. Number 2. Dirty record job. A reporter has the responsibility to check his or her facts carefully. Number 3. Problem concern. Hurricanes are not an issue here since we are far from the ocean. Number 4. Please to get things from the internet is a good source of lots of information. Number 5. Idea, opinion. I don't think things are all bad in the world. What is your view? Number 6. Gives this website provides interesting news stories from around the world. Not the normal news. Newspapers and television news programs always seem to report about bad things happening in society. However, there is a place where readers can find some good news. That place is the website called Happy News. The man behind Happy News is Byron Reese. Reese set up Happy News because he thought other news media give you a distorted view of the world by exerting bad news, misery, and despair. We are trying to balance out the scale. Not everyone agrees with Reese's view. Many people think that news sources have a responsibility to provide news that is helpful to people. People need to know about issues or problems in today's society. The Happy News is not trying to stop people from learning about issues or problems. Happy News is just trying to provide a balanced picture of today's world. By the end of its first month online, Happy News had more than 70,000 unique readers. About 60% of those readers were women. Something else unique makes Happy News different from any of the other news or information websites that are on the internet. Unlike many other websites, Happy News gets fun mail from its readers on a daily basis. Surat kabar dan program berita televisi sepertinya selalu melaporkan tentang hal-hal buruk yang terjadi di masyarakat. Namun, ada tempat di mana pembaca dapat menemukan beberapa kabar baik. Tempat itu adalah situs web bernama Happy News. Orang di balik Happy News adalah Byron Reese. Reese mengatur Happy News karena dia berpikir sumber berita lain memberi orang pandangan yang tidak seimbang tentang dunia. Reese berkata tentang Happy News, media berita memberi Anda pandangan yang menyimpang dunia dengan membesar-besarkan berita buruk. kesengsaraan dan keputusasaan. Kami mencoba untuk menyeimbangkan keluar dari skala. Namun, tidak semua orang setuju dengan pandangan Riz. Banyak orang yang mengira berita itu sumber memiliki tanggung jawab untuk memberi berita bermanfaat bagi orang-orang. Orang perlu mengetahui tentang isu atau masalah dalam masyarakat saat ini. Maka orang lebih mampu membuat keputusan berdasarkan informasi tentang hal-hal yang mengetahui kehidupan sehari-hari mereka. Riz mengatakan itu Happy News tidak berusaha menghentikan orang untuk belajar tentang isu atau masalah. Happy News hanya mencoba memberikan keseimbangan gambaran dunia saat ini. Pada akhir bulan pertama online, Happy News memiliki lebih dari 70.000 pembaca unik. Sekitar 60% dari pembaca itu adalah wanita. Sesuatu lain yang unik membuat Happy News berbeda dari salah satu situs berita atau informasi lainnya yang ada di internet. Tidak seperti banyak lainnya situs web, Happy News mendapat surat penggemar darinya pembaca setiap hari. The definition and purpose of descriptive text. Descriptive text is a text English that has a function to explain, describe, or describe something characteristic of descriptive text. Using verb attributes such as to, be, is, are, and only focus on certain objects. Using simple present tense. Using many adjectives or adjectives. Using detailed sentence to describe an object. This descriptive text is still about Happy News. The news media gives a distorted view of the world by exerting bad news, misery, and despair. Two purpose of the text. Paragraph 1 explain Riz set up Happy News because he thought other news sources were giving people an balanced view of the world. Paragraph 2 explaining Happy News is just trying to provide a balanced picture of the world today. Paragraph 3 explain there is another unique thing that makes Happy News different from other news or information sites on the internet. Selanjutnya, variation. Number 1, what is another possible title for the reading? The answer is B. Good news for a change. Number 2, how is Happy News different than other news sources? The answer is C. These stories are not about bad things. Number 3, why might some people not like Happy News? The answer is C. Some source gives a balanced view. Number 4, which of the following is not true about Happy News after its first month online? The answer is D. Riz used it to create other websites. Number 5, what does unique mean in this reading? The answer is B. Interesting.
Summary. Fill in the blank with the correct word or phrases. My name, Brian Riz, blah blah blah. An online source of news information. Riz's website is the parent form of the news media because his website only blah 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 with Happy News. Riz believes that he can provide a more blah 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 view of today society by reporting stories that don't focus on bad things. Others believe that the news media has the blah 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 to report on issues that people need to know about. Raise blah 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 them, but also thinks people get a distorted view of the world if they only hear about bad news all the time. Discuss the following question. Number 1. Where do you usually hear or read news report? I usually hear or get the latest news through social media sources as Instagram, TikTok, and others. Number 2. What is your favorite news magazine? Why do you like it? I really like CNN magazine because CNN magazine is very actual and reliable. Number 3. What other source of happy or entertaining news do you know about? Internet, magazine, television, radio. Vocabulary and idiom review. I use the bad word or phrase to fill in the blank. Number 1. Do you know when people blah blah blah? How to make concrete? Jawabannya A. Discovered. Number 2. He used only his personal money to blah 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 his new company. Jawabannya B. Set up. Number 3. He used number 3. No one told me that looking door at night was my blah blah blah. Jawabannya D. Responsibility. Number 4. Sometimes I am not so sure if I can really trust the information report by the blah blah blah. Jawabannya B. News media. Number 5. The essay West to one say that it did not give a blah 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 presentation of the situation. Jawabannya A. Balance. Number 6. When people live together in a blah blah blah, they have to agree on certain rules to follow. Jawabannya C. Society. Number 7. The blah 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 that you heard was just rain hitting the window. Jawabannya D. Source. Berikutnya B. Use the correct form of the word to fill in the blank. Number 8. I don't think all teenagers are blah blah blah. Some of them are quite mature and hard working. Jawabannya B. Responsible. Number 9. Lots of people these days belong to blah 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 networking website. Jawabannya B. Social. Number 10. The field could not have been that big you of blah blah blah. Jawabannya A. Exaggeration. Thank you for attention.